Hey guys, we just got some new stuff in from Savage UTV. Let's take a look. Alright guys, if you don't know who Savage UTV is, I suggest you go to their website and check them out. They are somewhat new to the game of UTV accessories, but they're definitely starting from a place of knowledge and great quality products. Reached out to them and to see if they wouldn't mind sending us a few of their kits. This is what they are. They're UTV dry belt cases for your spare UTV belts. The nice thing about them is that they're actually a hard shell Pelican style case, and they have a number of different options as far as empty kits, kits with tools for doing actual belt changes on the fly, and they have a number of different configurations that you can do and customizations you can do using the foam inserts. I think they're going to be a great product, but I asked them directly, hey, can you send us some products to test, install on our rigs and bash around and give some abuse to see how well they hold up to the elements and the abuse of day-to-day ripping in the woods and the ORV parks and things like that. So really looking forward to getting these installed and letting you guys know and see the results that we come up with. Check them out, savageutv.com.